Hey everyone, Brendan here from Athena Intelligence. Today we're going to be walking through our Olympus 2.0 release. So we've made some pretty large upgrades to the way that we are interacting with Athena. We saw a lot of benefit in this Copilot experience, and we actually wanted to follow some design patterns that we've seen kind of crop up in the market. One of the design patterns we've taken some inspiration from is Cursor. They have a really nice way of operating on top of various assets. Typically for them, those are programmatic files for coding, and then a mention-like workflow where I can tag at and then get various tools, agents, or in our world, these are assets. Quick how-to for the Spaces environment. You can start by uploading any material, text, audio, video, email. You can forward emails to Athena. They'll all drop into this kind of Google Drive style experience right here. All the data we're looking at today is notional. We have a Formula One kind of example for us today. And the persona that we're going to be looking at is an analyst that's preparing for an upcoming race, reviewing previous material. That material, kind of in this example here, is a spreadsheet of kind of previous race results. Looks like a screenshot of some engineering drawings, a previous race to get some more insights. And then finally, it looks like a small research report or a report that's from the internet or in a Google Doc. We can start by kind of assisting in just the synthesis of what we're looking at. Key. What is this? And then in a second one, maybe we'll ask for key moments. And then finally, maybe we can ask this doc for extract any names mentioned. So some very light workflows in which we're able to basically tag any one of these documents and get a quick answer. One of the exciting parts about the agent in the way that we're using this tooling is not only are we able to read all these material, but we're actually able to create. So I'm going to refresh our Spaces UI and ask for can you compile a brief report on this conversation so far and add that to a new document. So not only are we going to be doing more traditional RAG workflows, but we're going to be able to operate on top of these asset types. Asset types to us are documents, spreadsheets, being able to control them, operate on top of them. Let's add a few tables about the names mentioned above and include stats in the table. So these are kind of a rich text editor. We can download any of these pieces as PDF documents, Markdown, and use them in other systems. But it looks like this is going to be kind of good for me so far. I can kind of pause here and maybe create a spreadsheet with those names as well. And similar to us creating that document, we're going to be able to create that same spreadsheet-like experience. And let's have it go ahead and write those values. Perfect. Looks like it's going to add a few more for us. Beautiful. I'm going to split screen this way. It's kind of how I prefer it. Great, that looks good. Finally, I can peek at a few of the other different options we could have looked at today. We'll probably do a separate one of these for the more technical workflows, but in the same way that we just had the agent do a Copilot experience in creating a report and a spreadsheet based off of the material that we looked at today, the same sort of experience exists for more technical workflows, SQL, on any type of database, Snowflake, BigQuery, Databricks, you name it. And then finally, for folks in the Python or R environments, doing any of the more open-ended programmatic model development, visualizations, or small scripting exercises, the agent is not only able to access these, but also to write and execute them on your behalf. Great. If you have any questions or are interested in testing out some of our newest modules here, give us a shout, and we will be back soon. Thanks.